You don't always notice it when it happens. The shift, the moment when communication between you stops feeling like connection and starts feeling like conflict, or silence, or just plain survival. Maybe you've been tiptoeing around each other. Maybe conversations feel more like landmines than lifelines. Or maybe you're just barely talking at all. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Every couple reaches this point eventually. Not because something's wrong with you, but because communication isn't just about words. It's about safety. And when we stop feeling safe with each other, emotionally safe, we don't stop communicating. We just start protecting ourselves instead. We get quieter, sharper, more defensive, or more distant. We start reading between the lines, assuming the worst, or holding back what we really want to say because why risk it? That's where this course begins. Not with scripts or clever phrases, but with the truth. Most communication problems in relationships aren't about communication. They're about protection. Okay, you're not bad at talking to each other. You've just gotten really good at surviving each other. So instead of jumping into techniques, we're going to rebuild the foundation you both need. The one that lets you feel safe enough to be honest again. Because when that happens, everything changes. This course is the first in a series designed to walk you through step by step the skills that build a stronger, closer, and more connected relationship. But it all starts here with learning how to talk to each other again. Here's what we're going to cover in this course. Okay, we'll look at the hidden patterns behind your most frustrating arguments. We'll talk about what really happens when your partner shuts down or when you explode. We'll learn how to speak clearly without blaming or bottling things up, and how to listen, actually listen, even when emotions are high. But most importantly, we'll rebuild safety, because real communication doesn't come from being right. It comes from feeling safe. And you both deserve that. So before you move on to the next lesson, I want to leave you with one question. When did you stop feeling safe enough to talk? And what were you protecting yourselves from? You don't have to answer it out loud, but take a moment, write it down, and sit with it. Because that question might be the key to everything you're about to unlock. Let's get started.